Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is slightly different. It is a how to draw video, and I haven't done this in a while. And I got this idea, and I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. But I did get AirPods for Christmas, and I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to draw while listening to AirPods. Um, but again, I'm trying not to brag or anything like that, so bear with me. This is just an idea that was inspiration from it. So I guess bear with me, but anyways, this is just, I'm doing a screen recording on my iPad. So the first step into drawing the girl with the AirPods is I am doing a red sketch with the red Procreate pencil, my favorite pencil to sketch with. So there's that, and you just draw the little AirPods. I love them. So I'm actually recording this video with the AirPods. So again, I'm trying not to brag. That's not the point of the video. It's just the point of teaching you guys how to draw a girl wearing AirPods. So hopefully you won't, I'm not going to say anything, but yeah, so I'm drawing a cell phone or whatever device you choose to draw your girl with. Um, so basically, I start with the red sketch, and I'm doing the hair now, and I usually do this on first layer. And I'm using Procreate. You can draw this basically, I'm guessing on paper and pencil. I'm on phone long. It's just easier to do a Procreate. And then next up, I'm using block in the Procreate pencil and refining my sketch a little bit. So that's what this stage is. Basically, I have a new traditional drawing process now, and I could definitely do a video on that. Basically, my new process is sketch with a light pencil and work my way up to the finished drawing. It takes me about 30 minutes to do a drawing or more. Usually takes around maybe a day or two sometimes, depending on when I start the project. Um, so yeah. Anyways, I'm doing the second pencil layer, and then right now I'm doing the line art. I'm lowering the opacity for the line art, getting ready for that. Um, Basically how to draw the AirPods, I usually did a circle and did a rectangle from the AirPods, so that's how I draw it. And then for the eyes, I just did my usual eye style that I gravitate towards. Don't really have much else to say here, except I'm doing a line art now, and I usually have my two pencil layers with on separate layers. I don't combine the two. I usually delete the layers along the way when I don't need them. Um, just a little tip there. Lighter is on a separate layer. That's how I like to work. And to emphasize on the AirPods, I drew bigger ears so you guys can see them. And then I just drew music notes on the side. Um, so that way you could tell she's listening to AirPods. There's me duplicating the layers of the line art layer to get ready for color. And I like to use the hard brush for coloring, and I start with the eyes and then work my way around the picture or the drawing. So I'm coloring the skin now, and I usually like to have a light peach for it. I didn't color the AirPods because the AirPods are white, Apple. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really don't have much else to say beyond this point. You can follow along with the tutorial. I do have an Instagram where um, this drawing will be on my Instagram hopefully, and yeah, so you can always take a screenshot at the end of the video or beginning of the video whenever. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to put music on it since you guys got the idea. So thank you again for watching, and I hope I see you guys in tomorrow's video, which I think tomorrow's video is going to be how to draw either draw a Switch or a girl playing the Switch. So, yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Again, just want to clarify, this is not a bragging video. Just want to really hint at that. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.